Hello, this is sets part 3. So another thing I came across, and this is another reason why sets are I wanted to say more useful, but that wouldn't be true. Another reason why you should use a set is, say you have a list, right? And within this list you have multiple data elements, data types that are the same. So, okay. So as you can see here, there's a lot of redundancy in this list. So now I'm gonna make a set, right, out of a list, and you're gonna notice when I print a set that something happens. You see, all the redundant um, data types are actually not in the set anymore. So yeah, that's something I wanted to point out. So yeah, so this is another way that sets are again, I was gonna say more useful, but that's not the correct term. This is a benefit of using a set over a list. Sets they do get rid of redundancy. So now I wonder what would happen if I were to do a set dot add, and I would add number 1. Now let's see what happens here. Notice that the number 1 does not get added into our set because it already contains a number 1. Okay. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section.